Klover doesn't guarantee a fixed customer service response time because reply times depend on support volume, the type of issue you're reporting, and how complete your request is. By the end of this video, you'll know what affects Klover's support response time, how to contact the team correctly, and how to improve your chances of getting a faster resolution. If you need help from Klover, the best place to start is the support section inside the app. Using the in-app support option connects your request to your account, making it easier for the support team to review your issue without asking for basic account details again. When you submit your request, include as much useful information as possible. Add your account email, describe the problem clearly, explain when it started, and attach screenshots of any error messages if they're available. A complete support request gives the team more information to work with and reduces the chance that they'll need to contact you for missing details before investigating. If your issue involves a cash advance, include the advance amount, the date you requested it, and the current status shown in the app. If the problem is related to a card transaction, provide the date of the purchase, the merchant name, and any error message you received. Specific information helps support identify the issue more efficiently. After sending your request, avoid creating multiple support tickets for the same problem, unless Klover specifically asks you to do so. Multiple requests about the same issue can make it harder to keep track of the conversation and may slow the resolution process. While you're waiting for a reply, check the app for notifications or account alerts. Sometimes Klover requests additional identity verification or updated banking information. Completing those requests promptly can resolve certain issues without waiting for a full support investigation. It's also a good idea to update the Klover app before contacting support. The latest version may fix known bugs or account syncing issues that could be causing the problem. After updating, reopen the app and see whether the issue has already been resolved. If you haven't received a response after allowing reasonable time for your request to be reviewed, reopen your original support conversation and check for updates instead of submitting a new ticket. That keeps all of your account information and previous messages in one place. To recap, Klover doesn't publish a guaranteed customer service wait time. The fastest way to get help is to submit a complete support request with accurate account details, screenshots, and a clear explanation of the issue. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Klover troubleshooting tips, app tutorials, and account guides.